Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in a Lenovo N20 Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you might also want to have them handy, as they may be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the two front bezel screw covers. Next, you will remove the four front bezel screws. Now, you will carefully pry and remove the front bezel. Next, you will remove the four LCD mounting screws. Now, you will pull the LCD toward you and disconnect the LCD cable from the back of the LCD. The LCD is now removed. The first step in the installation of your replacement LCD will be to reconnect the LCD cable to the back of the LCD. Now, you will set the LCD into place and replace the four LCD mounting screws. Next, you will snap the front bezel back into place. Now, you will replace the four front bezel screws. Next, you will replace the two front bezel screw covers. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your Lenovo Chromebook. Nice job!